Here's Watch TNT app and how to install it on iPhone. So this app available on iPhone, iPad, Apple TV. So just tap Get if you're installing it for the first time, and then you will just be able to install this app. And then you can see you can watch NBA on TNT and more on TNT. Live sports, movies, full episodes. So you need to sign in with your TV provider to catch live sports like NBA, NHL, US soccer. Watch anytime, anywhere with TNT app. So you can see the list of TV providers which is being supported, including AT&T, Spectrum, Comcast, Xfinity, Cox, DirecTV, Dish, Optimum, Suddenlink, Verizon, and many more. And then there are some TNT originals. This app is growing in popularity, especially I think. All right, it seems it's only available in US. That makes sense because they have all the sports live streaming. But yeah, super easy to install, and then you just need to sign in with your TV provider.